My name is Dr. Aurangzaib Alizai. I teach Gender and Development Studies at the Department of Gender and Development Studies at the University of Balochistan. Today's this workshop is very important, and the topic which is brought up before the panel, I think, is very important: the structure of undergraduate education. We talked about multiple things, for instance, the skills being provided by the education system, by the universities, and the learnings they take away, the undergrads, they take away the learnings. Also, we talked about the question of diversity and inclusion within the education system, and the conflicts and the polarization within the education system. We also talked about the question of multidisciplinary, let's say, are the students or are the undergrads, they are equipped with the skills, the relevant skills, and they can be employed in the market. Are the undergraduate education system is ready for the challenges, the challenges of AI, let's say. We also discussed the emergence of AI and the use of AI for the problem solving. And then one of the important discussions was also brought up here is the question of critical thinking, that how the different perspectives, thinking with multiple boxes, thinking about multiple ways, thinking in multiple ways can help undergrads to the graduates to solve the issues at their employment. I think it's very important. And then I think this discussion, the conversation which has started now, I think this has to be continued in future. Since we have brought up multiple questions, we have raised multiple questions through this workshop. And I think there needs to be a systemic thinking, or there needs to be a way of resolving all those issues, which are the questions which we have raised today. Thank you very much.